Is a nation's fate written in its mountains, rivers, and coastlines, or in the spirit and actions of its people? This captivating question leads us into a journey across time and space, exploring geography's role in shaping destiny. We'll delve into key literature from eminent thinkers like Tim Marshall and Jared Diamond, who propose that our environment heavily influences our societal development. It's a fascinating debate between the power of the land and the will of its inhabitants. Now let's delve into this fascinating debate. Tim Marshall, in his book Prisoners of Geography, argues that geography plays a pivotal role in shaping a nation's destiny. Consider how mountains, rivers, and seas have served as invisible hands, guiding political and economic strategies throughout history. Russia's vast open plains, for instance, have fostered its expansionist policies. Moving further back, let's delve into Jared Diamond's Guns, Germs, and Steel. This seminal work illuminates how environmental factors fueled disparities in societal development. The Fertile Crescent, rich in natural resources, cradled the first civilizations, setting the stage for millennia of progress. Thus, geography is more than just a backdrop for human activity. It's a catalyst, a barrier, a tool, often determining the path of nations and cultures. But here's a thought to ponder. While geography has undeniably shaped the course of history, can we challenge its destiny? Robert D. Kaplan, in The Revenge of Geography, posits that human ingenuity and technological advances challenge geographical constraints. This perspective invites us to consider how we, as humans, have the power to shape our destiny, even when faced with geographical limitations. Take the Netherlands, for instance. This small European nation, much of which lies below sea level, has battled the sea for centuries. Instead of submitting to their geographical destiny, they've used their ingenuity to reclaim land from the sea and manage water levels. Today, the Netherlands is a testament to human resilience and innovation, thriving against all odds. But geographical destiny isn't just about land and sea, it's about connectivity too. This is where Parag Khanna's connectography comes into play. In our modern world, the physical geography of nations is becoming less important than the connections between them. Look at Singapore, a tiny city-state with limited natural resources. Despite its geographical limitations, it has leveraged its strategic location and embraced global connectivity to become a major economic hub. It's a prime example of how modern connectivity can transcend traditional geographical limitations and reshape economic and political landscapes. So while geography may set the stage, it's human action that truly shapes the plot. As we see, the power of human innovation can indeed challenge and reshape the destiny of geography. Geography indeed has a powerful influence on historical and present-day events. The mountains, rivers, and coastlines shape the path of civilizations, often dictating their economic strategies, political engagements, and societal developments. The vast, open plains of Russia pushed it towards expansionist policies, while the abundant natural resources of the Fertile Crescent cradled the birth of early civilizations. Yes, geography often seems to write a nation's destiny. But let's not forget the other side of the coin, the indomitable human spirit and our ceaseless ingenuity. The story of humanity is one of overcoming odds, of turning adversities into opportunities. Take the Netherlands, for example. This country turned its geographical disadvantage of being below sea level into a triumph of engineering, mastering the art of land reclamation and water management. And then there's Singapore, a small island nation with limited natural resources. Yet, it's a booming global hub today, thanks to its strategic location and the foresightedness of its leaders. It's a testament to how modern connectivity can reshape economic and political landscapes, transcending the constraints of geography. So while we cannot deny that geography sets the stage, it is human action that writes the play. We as people have the power to challenge geographical destiny, to innovate and adapt, to build societies that are not just prisoners of geography, but masters of it. We find ourselves living in a world where the balance between land and will is more apparent than ever. Technological advances continue to break down geographical barriers, expanding our horizons and reshaping our world. Yet we remain tied to our lands, our rivers, our mountains. They are part of our identity, our heritage, our destiny. And so we come to realize that our future is not just dictated by the land we inherit, but also by the society we build upon it. The interplay between geography and human agency is a dance, a dynamic, ever-evolving spectacle that shapes our world, our societies, and ultimately, our future. Geography provides the stage, but human action writes the play. The future is a dynamic interplay of the land we inherit and the society we build upon it. So what does this mean for us? It's crystal clear that geography sets the stage, but the play is ours to write. We can and do shape our destiny. Think about your environment and potential. How can we shape our own destiny, regardless of the geographical hand we've been dealt?